Oh, closer, closer. Oh, I guess it's in here. And yep, I can feel it. AirTag found. Hey Warenoticers, Shane here, and welcome to another video on the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel. If you're new here, definitely be sure to take a moment and consider subscribing so you don't miss out on all my other awesome technology videos about things like smartwatches, phones, tech accessories, computers, and just so much more. But anyway guys, in this video, yes, we're going to be unboxing the AirTags right here. For those of you who don't know, AirTags are Apple's little trackers that you can put in, let's say, your wallet, on a keychain, in a backpack, to use Apple's Find My network to help you find that thing if you lose it. And now right here, I actually have a 4-pack of AirTags, but not just any regular AirTags. No, I wouldn't do that to you guys. These are actually custom AirTags engraved with some funny little things that I wanted on them. So you know what? I want to show you what these guys look like, so let's get them out of the box already. I can't wait. So this box is obviously very simple. Literally just says AirTag 4-pack and then a picture of the little guy right there. So you know what? Let us just open this up. And here they are. Let's see. AirTags, where are you guys at? Oh, wow. Look at this. Okay, they even have them flipped over so I can't see the custom engraving yet, which is what I want to see. Oh wow, look at this. So as you can see, yes, one of them, I got a little thumbs up emoji. Another one, let's see, I got a smiley face. And right here, yes, CEO. You already knew I would want to get an AirTag with CEO on it. And the last one, I got my initials, SM, right there. So I think that is super cool. Obviously, we got some paperwork right here for these guys as well. We can put this to the side. Got some more paperwork. And yeah, anyway, let's get these guys connected to my iPhone. And to do just that, first you're going to want to take this plastic off. And when you actually remove the plastic, what it does is it fully closes the AirTag and turns it on for the first time, and then starts using that battery that's built into this. And yes, it is a user replaceable battery, which is just awesome because not only do you not have to charge these, but when the battery runs low, I believe it's supposed to last a year or about a year, you can actually put a new one in yourself, which I just think is amazing. So we can just go pull this, and now, do you hear that? It just made a little noise. That's pretty cool. I'll try to record it on this one right here. Did you guys hear that? That was a cool little noise. Pull this out. Oh, I love that little noise. It's so cute. Oh, there we go. And now we've got all these guys activated, so let's connect them to my iPhone. As you can see, it's super easy. Literally, these AirTags pop up just on your screen after you pull that tab out, which activates them. So right here it says AirTag, more than one AirTag detected. So let's bring the first one. We'll do the CEO one first, near the iPhone to begin. So let's do connect and then name AirTag. Okay, I'm gonna want this on my keys, CEO. I think that's a pretty baller move. And then next you're gonna wanna register the AirTag with your Apple ID, continue, and boom, Shane's keys setting up. This is just so cool. I love these cute little guys. And I mean, for $100 for 4 of them, that's like what, $25 each? That is not too bad. And yeah, now anyway, these keys are all set up. So let's click done and let's go over and set up another one. So let's grab the SM right here with my initials, and boom, just that quickly it popped right up. So connect, and you know what should this one go on? Let's call it wallet for now. Okay. And then setting up, boom, all done right there. And I love that little chime noise it makes. Done. And now guys, I've taken a moment to get all of my 4 AirTags nice and set up, and I've went into the Find My app right here. And as you can see, all these are listed. So for example, I remember, where's the CEO one? I remember the CEO is for the keys. And as you can see, this is pretty cool. Apple actually assigned to all the different items a sort of like icon. So for the backpack, it's like a backpack. For the jacket, it's a jacket. For the keys, it's a key. I didn't do that, so that's pretty cool that they did that automatically. So as you can see right there, Shane's keys, that's this AirTag right here. We can tap on that. And then once when you go over to the next screen, you can see it says it's with you. Obviously, it's in my hand. It's got a little battery indicator. Full battery makes sense. Just open this, and you can play a sound. You can find, you can do notifications, and you can put it into lost mode, or you could rename or remove the item. So you know what, let's play a sound. Okay, that's not too loud. That's not very loud at all. That kind of stinks. I don't know. I feel like if I had this lost, I might want it to be louder because if it's under a couch cushion or something, I wonder if I'd be able to hear that. Now, next we can come over here and we go to find. So signal is weak. Oh, no, it says here. That's pretty funny. So yeah, if you put this down on, let's say we put it on a table right here, and then look, it says 1.2 feet nearby. So now in the find function of the Find My app, I think this one is really cool. You can actually be led to your AirTag in the app. So as you can see, it says it's 3 feet. Yes, the CEO tag, that's the one we're tracking right here, is just right here on my desk. As you can see, as we bring my iPhone closer, it lowers the distance, and now it says here because, yeah, the tag is right there. But now if we go further away, like let's say we're over here, then now it says it's 5 feet away. And if we come over here, maybe spin around, as you can actually see, it says 3 feet to your left. So I think that is pretty cool that it even knows the direction that the AirTag is in. And yeah, that could definitely help you out in a pinch right there. And now, believe it or not, guys, I do have a couch, so I can actually test what I was saying earlier, me wondering if you can actually hear that chime when it is stuck in a couch. So I've got the CEO AirTag right here. Guys, get a good look at that. And let me just put it inside my couch. I hope this doesn't damage it at all, but we can just stick it between the cushions, just down there. And now let me play a chime over here on my iPhone. Okay, so we're in the Find My app. We can tap play sound, and it says playing. I mean, I can sort of hear it, but when I'm talking, I mean, like, let's see, I'm gonna play it again. Okay, playing, playing, playing. And as I'm talking, I don't hear anything. Okay, now I could sort of hear it, but that is very quiet. So I kind of wish you could make it louder, just like if something's really in the cushion. I don't know how helpful that's going to be. Now we're back in the find area. I think that will be more helpful. So look, I can get up, and now I do know my AirTag is over here in the couch, so it says it's 5 feet away. And yeah, now if I come back 3 feet, okay, which way is it? Tell me. 2 feet. Oh, closer, closer. Oh, I guess it's in here. And yep, I can feel it. AirTag found. And yeah, guys, with that, that's going to cut it for my nice, quick, easy unboxing video of the Apple AirTags right here. And not just any regular AirTags, once again, custom engraved one. So yeah, if you guys get Apple AirTags for yourself, I would definitely recommend getting custom engraving on yours as well, because believe it or not, it's not any extra money. It's actually free. So I think it adds a really nice, cool, personal touch to your AirTags. Like, obviously, I'm very much in love with this CEO one right here, if you guys can pick that up. Oh yeah, look at that. And yeah, I'm definitely just super excited to start using these guys more. I'm definitely going to put one on my keys. And speaking of keys, definitely make sure you guys subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos, and also so you don't miss my unboxings of these two different keychains for Apple's AirTags. I've got the Belkin one right here, and I've also got Apple's very own leather AirTag keychain. So definitely check out those videos and subscribe so you don't miss them. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. Warenotice out with these cute little AirTags. Bye, guys.